Hello, I'm Judi the organizer. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So today's a bit special because I'm going to be showing you a Valentine's Day special edition of folding. So whether you're going to surprise a significant other, you're going to decorate the home, or you're going to gift a token of love to a special someone, these towel art creations will be a great addition. So grab your washcloths and let's spread the love of these charming, heartfelt designs. So, as always, let's start folding. Step 1. With your towel lying flat, you're going to rotate your towel so that a corner is facing you, and you're going to take the bottom corner and you're going to fold it up, meeting the top corner, like so. Next, you're going to take the bottom left corner and you're going to bring it to the top point, and you're going to do the same to the right side, like so, creating a smaller square. This towel isn't a perfect square, which is why there's a gap here. If your towel is a perfect square, you won't have a gap and both sides will meet perfectly. Next, you're going to flip it over, but make sure you hold it tight so the square doesn't unravel. Now it's time to start forming the heart. Grab the top portion, but this time grab both layers and fold it down to meet the bottom corner. You're going to now take the right triangle and fold it down, meeting the right corner, and you're going to take the left triangle and fold it down, meeting the left corner, like so. Flip it over, and now you start shaping the heart. Next, you're going to lightly fold in the corners. This may take a while because sometimes the corners can be a bit bulky, but if you press down hard enough, it will stay. If it doesn't, it's fine. It still looks like a heart, so I think anyone who sees this will be impressed. But once you tuck it in, you are done. You have now created a beautiful heart-shaped towel. So to properly create this fold, you will need a thin towel. The type of towel I used is a cleaning towel, but you can also use a tea towel. Just make sure it's a square shape. So step 1, with your towel laying flat, just like the heart, rotate it and take the bottom and fold it over, meeting the top corner. Flatten it out, as always. Step 3, you're going to start rolling. This is how you create the petals. So starting at the fold, you're going to tightly roll up until you get to about 3 inches from the top. So if you're using a thicker towel, I would suggest that you stop about 3 to 4 inches from the top. If you're using a thinner towel, I would suggest you leave about 2 to 3 inches from the top.
Waiting for love, try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love.
After that, you will take the right side and start rolling until you get to the left side, like so. Next, you're going to take the end of the corner and tuck it in the little pocket you created while rolling.
About the way we could sit and talk all night. We just let the good times pass. We could sit and talk all night.
If there is no pocket or your corner doesn't reach a pocket, I would suggest that you tuck it into one of the rows you created or the petals, like so. Once you have this shape, you're going to face the petal part of the rose down, and then you're going to separate the 2 corners that are left by folding them down like so. You're going to adjust a bit, flip it back over, and you are done.
Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting.
You have now created a rose-shaped towel, beautiful enough for that special person in your life or for yourself.
Be holding on to you.
And there you have it, 2 folds that are bound to make hearts flutter during Valentine's Day. I hope these folding techniques add a special touch to your Valentine's Day celebration, and inspires you to spread love. So let me know in the comment section below if you'll be creating any of these folds for your loved one. You honestly don't have to do it for anyone. You can do it for yourself and look at it and just like think about love every time you do. But let me know in the comment section below if you do, if you will, or if you have in the past. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Be holding